In order to provide users with a better shooting experience underwater, PowerRay has added a professional video stabilization mode, in addition to the original depth maintenance mode. To use this new mode, first, upgrade the Vision Plus app to the latest version, and then update the PowerRay's firmware. In this new professional video stabilization mode, the angle of the PowerRay can be adjusted and locked anywhere from a -30° to 10° angle from the horizontal axis. This mode will also reduce the speed of the PowerRay's course, so more stable footage can be shot when it is moving. Switching to the depth maintenance mode will allow you to pilot the PowerRay at a consistent fixed position on a vertical axis.